Hello, this is Vance, and this is Wednesday, October the 8th, 2014. These are the CL trades for today using the Solana method for price action. It's pre-market, got the overnight. We had a pretty big dip last night. In fact, prices dropped to 87.39. And I can't help but think that the decline in oil prices is really kind of tied to the strength of the U.S. dollar. It's correlation. Don't exactly know how that works. I've been thinking that. I've been mulling that over. I'm not overly concerned about it. What I am concerned, well, I'm not overly concerned about it from the standpoint of where price is, but I mean, I believe that price at this level is really unsustainable. It has to come up. But again, the market can stay wrong longer than you can stay liquid, and unless we're resetting to a significantly lower oil price because of less demand, that's one issue. But I don't believe that's the case. I mean, demand hasn't been falling; it's been rising, and maybe it's not rising as much. But in the short term, I believe it's really got to do with the strength of the U.S. dollar and the weakness of the European economy, and likely the weakness in China, and that's why the prices are soft at this period, and so softer over the last couple of weeks. Whether or not it stays, we have to really see. So we're not really focused on that. We're focused on really the price action, and we want to see where prices are for the overnight and whether it's sustainable at these levels. And we're more concerned about what the price movement is going to be for the next hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, day. We're not really over concerned about the long-term months and so forth. We'll leave that up to the institutions to decide that. But we're looking at the movements on an intraday basis. So what I'm looking at right now is that, as you can see, that the overnight low was 87.39. Overnight high was 88.63. Right now we're bouncing along where, we had to spike down. I mean, this was like in 5:30 this morning. It spiked down, price got to that level. But most of the support, it appears to be where price closed on those movements, really around the 87.66 area. So what I'm looking for is that we already had this measured move down, first leg down, second leg down. So right around here, it looks like we're having support in this level. So, that's what I'm saying initially. I'm not saying that price can't break down any further and retest this low, but that's what I'm looking at. We're a few minutes away from the open, 6 minutes away, and today is the DOE report. So that's something else to keep in mind. So we may have, like always on DOE report days, we may have some movement in the morning, and then maybe things shut down just after the equity open at 9:30, and things move sideways until the 10:30 report comes up, which could be the case. So just be aware of that. Anyway, that's it for today. I think that, again, looking at from this perspective, I think the support looks like to be shaping up really around the 87.66 level. But we'll have to wait and see how that equates into whether or not we can take a trade down there or not. So go long at that point, or is it going to break down? Are we going to have a break? Are we going to have a retracement back to where the overnight high is? Or are we going to have a breakdown area and price going lower than the overnight low? Anyway, that's it for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. Oh, by the way, another notice. Tomorrow I'm going to be live. If you want to participate or see what I do first thing in the morning, I have to send you a GoToWebinar link. My email is jksv@shaw.ca. Again, that's jksv@shaw.ca. You should know that, but I mean, anyone that's been following me would know that. I'll put that up. Actually, I'll do that right now. I'll put it up. Okay, there you go. jksv@shaw.ca. Send me an email requesting that you want to be on the GoToWebinar link tomorrow morning at 8:45, and I'll be live at that time. Talk about the market, talk about what I'm looking at, see how things are shaping up, maybe take a trade if there's one available. But that's what I'm going to do tomorrow morning. So that's send a request in, and I'll hook you up for tomorrow morning. Anyway, that's it for now. This is Vance. Bye for now.